Volcano Bay is a tropical water theme park at Universal Orlando Resort in Orlando, Florida. Volcano Bay replaced Wet n Wild as Universal Orlando Resort's only water park, and it was the first water park constructed by Universal itself. The park, themed around 200-foot-tall, 61-meter artificial volcano named Krakatoa, opened on May 25, 2017. Krakatoa, and is the park's main icon that is displayed on the logo. The theme park is divided into different areas. They are as follow: Krakatoa, Wave Village, River Village, and Rainforest Village. Well guys, what can I tell you about this place? It's pretty much self-explanatory. It's a lot of fun for the whole family. I don't really can imagine anybody to not enjoy this place. There are different slides delivering different level of adrenaline. Therefore, they can be chosen depending on the guest's age and bravery. One of our absolute favorite, although simple attraction, was Tiwa, the fearless river. Every so often, the river blasting you with a strong wave, adding excitement to already cool attraction. The fearless river takes you around the whole park, and you will be able to see few cool waterfalls, over river bridges, volcano itself, countless jets spitting water, and many more. The place definitely worth visiting is Waturi Beach, located at the foot of the Krakatoa volcano. You can admire amazing design and architecture of the artificial volcano and enjoy the cooling wavy water in the same time. Another hidden attraction is located inside the volcano. Long corridors taking visitors to many different chambers where you can admire interactive, colorful lights, responsive to your tapu-tapu watch. The park uses a wearable watches under the name Tapu Tapu for payment and line queues.
So we just finished here in Volcano Bay. It was unforgettable experience. It was extremely cool, good fun for the full family. A few scary rides as well.
A trapdoor slide. Yeah,
Trapdoor slide.
The next day we started with breakfast at IHoppy. We were interested to find out if the breakfast in IHoppy is the same good as it was at Denny's.
We are at IHoppy and we're having a breakfast. Jenny's having a French toast with strawberries. Nia is what? Eggs Benedict, whatever it is.
with hash brown.
And I'm having pancakes. So happy days.
Well, IHoppy restaurant generally not the best one. Quality of food alright, price is the same like in Denny's, for example, which we definitely prefer Denny's place. Yeah, overall okay, not as clean, not as funky as other places, so rating 5 out of 10.
Good morning, it's another beautiful day here in Orlando. We are in Wakiwa Springs. We decided to take advantage of the nice weather and have a look around. We're hoping to have a swim, maybe see some wildlife. That will be cool.
Is this not a bear?
Apparently bears are wandering around. I don't know if it's true or not, but we'll keep an eye. It's going to be a good day.
Wakiwa Springs is a place located nearby Orlando, Florida. It is another one of incredible nature parks where the visitors can watch all sorts of wild animals, including manatees.
This is Wakiwa Springs. Look how pretty this place is. It's just natural beauty, unspoiled. Even though people are allowed to swim here, it seems to be very unspoiled, very clean, very peaceful place to visit. Again, a high recommendation to anybody who is visiting Orlando. It's only 35 to 40 minutes from Orlando to the north. Very nice place. It's also quiet. Not many people around, which makes it even better, as we're not massive fans of a crowd.
Those who love leisure and ultimate relaxation can submerge in the crystal clear and warm water of the springs. At that point we decided to check if it's true. I mean, if the water was as warm as they say, and give a go and swim.
So water in springs, it's nice and warm all year long. It's 72 degrees Fahrenheit. So very nice, although when you put your feet in there, it's not that fine. I'm going like slightly deeper now. Right, I think I'm going to go for it. Do you think I should?
Yes. Yeah, it's nice now.
It's very beautiful here at Wakiwa Springs. The colors, the water, it's quiet here, not many people around, which makes it even better. Absolutely amazing. The water at the beginning when you're getting in is a bit cold. However, as your body get used to it, it's very pleasant.
At the end, we got used to the temperature of the water and had marvelous time. Again, this is the attraction you cannot miss when you come to visit Orlando.
We just came out of the water at the Wakiwa Spring. That was an amazing experience, very refreshing. We came here in the morning. It was still quite quiet, not many people around. So overall, we had a good time. Now we try to find some wildlife.
During our stay at Wakiwa Springs, we were fortunate to see some local residents, including lizards, red squirrels, or even a friendly raccoon who came over hoping for some leftovers from our picnic table.
What do we think about spring so far?
No, we like Wakiwa Springs. Very nice, very peaceful. Plenty of space, you're not too close to everybody, beautiful views.
And the massive advantage is that it's very close to Orlando. It's only about 40 minutes drive, an easy drive as well. So we're looking for the wildlife, and there we go. We've got friendly raccoon. Hello, dude. Now, obviously, they get used to people. Tiny nature center.
The visitors can find little wooden house where every so often the park rangers organizing little talk about local animals. Unfortunately, during our visit, the place was closed. The Wakiwa Springs is a very picturesque place, especially when the sun is out. I felt like we were rewarded for the bad weather a couple of days before when we visited the Blue Spring. On the way back from Wakiwa Springs, we popped into the Harley Davidson garage, not only because of my personal interest of Harley Davidson motorcycles, but also because, being in America and not visiting Harley, that would be a major faux pas.
This is our second meal at Denny's. And Denny's. It's very good food. It's not too expensive, very tasty. It comes in rather large portions, so we're pretty impressed.
Okay guys, that's it. That summarizes our Florida adventure. Thank you very much for watching. We hope you enjoy our American trip. If you're going to America or planning to go and you're not sure what to do, how to do it, just drop us a message and we'll help you if we can. Take care and see you next time.